qualifications do you look for? Is it experience? Is it the fact that we might be licensed? Is it the fact that we might have appeared in court? Is it that we've been doing this for many years, or do we have specific experience in certain courts?
All of the above. So we look at two things. We look at more of a technical, objective standpoint of, and this goes into actually when we're qualifying an expert. So when I put an expert on the stand, that expert has to be considered qualified. And I can challenge an expert's qualifications and have them stricken altogether. And so the last thing you want to do is put an expert on the stand that's going to be challenged, their qualifications are going to be challenged, and they're going to be deemed incompetent to testify on the subject. So I have to know, first of all, what the issues are that I really need to have examined, and I need to make sure that first that person has the technical experience. So I'll look at everything from what is their educational background. I want somebody who looks good on paper. I want a good resume on paper. Where'd you go to school? Do you have advanced degrees? Do you have certifications? And so forth. But then I also look to some more persuasive qualifications, and this goes into where I'm actually probably having a conversation on the phone with the expert, because I need to know about your experience, because experience at the end of the day can be anecdotal, it can be years of experience. It can, one of the things to qualify an expert is how many times have you spoken on this, have you examined this subject? It's not just that you went to school and got the degree. It's not that you've been practicing in the field for maybe 25 years. But how many times have you done a diminution of value case on mold, for example, the effect of mold? If you've only done one, you might have some real trouble with qualification. Not to say everybody has to start from someplace.
Yeah, of course. How do you start?
Well,
you work for somebody.
No, but from a standpoint of getting put on the stand, can you be disqualified if you only say, I vote this the first time? Not necessarily, because if you've been doing other things, if you've been evaluating noise, smells and other things, that you'd probably be deemed competent, but you might be, in essence, the jury might believe the other person who's actually done 20 mold examinations. So you might not be automatically disqualified if you just haven't done that one area. But as I'm looking for somebody who's done as much as that is capable of having been done.